Do you have damaged screen in your iPhone? If you're required to repair or replace the damaged screen, then you should consult the expert technicians. It is also important to contact any authorized Apple product repair shops staying near you in Covina. But where to find the best help in this regard? Visit iTech Xpress in Covina. It is a full-service repair shop that offers repairing service for any kind of Apple products. They have a team of professionally trained, experienced iPhone repair technicians who offer the best diagnosis and repair service at the best prices. They have a great stock of spare parts of genuine products to make the screen replacement procedure faster. Even they are famous for providing guaranteed repair service within the same day. So, why wait? Get in touch with their expert by dialing 626-777-4747. For more information, you can browse through https://iTechXpressInc.com/